Up YouTube, here we go. I'm doing an unboxing of the fisherman 200-gram assortment. It has 4 different cakes. It says wild horses on it, but that's only one of the cakes that comes in this case. So their 200-gram cakes are pretty small, and there's 12 of them in the case. So I'm gonna do an unboxing of that one so we can see what's in it. There's the wild horses, fisherman, 16 shots. Like I said on my other video, I never had this one before. Performance, red wave and crackling with red tail, blue and crackling with blue tail, gold and crackling with gold tail. So these are pretty small. Next one is Squealer. This one is also 16 shots. And the performance for this one: brocade crown to red with red tail, brocade crown to blue with blue tail, 13 to 16 big silver chrysanthemum with red tail. This one is Twisted Monkey, 16 shots. Let's see what's the performance on this one. I don't see no performance. Oh, there it is. This one's green dahlia and red glitter with green tail, purple dahlia and white glitter with red tail, 13 to 16 red and red wave and crackling. And then the last one is Caution Dangerous, 16 shot also. And where's the performance on this one? Oh, here it is on the top. Red dahlia and white glitter with red tail, blue dahlia and white glitter with blue tail, 13 to 16 crackling willow with red tail. 13 to 16. I don't know why it says that. I don't know what that is. If any of you guys know, please leave a comment and let me know what that means. But here are the 4 cakes that come in it: wild horses, Squealer, Twisted Monkey, and Caution Dangerous. So you get 3 of each, which is 12 in a case. And I'll be doing another unboxing of this UV extra large aerial finale set 2 in a separate video. Alright, thanks guys.